it's Smurf here, and I'll try and keep this short and sweet today. So I'm finally getting into my Polychromos pencils. Faber Castell Polychromos, which are their art and graphic range. They have an intermediate range, which are called the Gold Fabers, and they come in coloured pencils and watercolour pencils. And then you've got the classic colours, which people refer to as the red range. Now those are for beginners, children, etc. So those are the ones I've always used. The Polychromos come with a little wee brochure here. I'll read out what the brochure says to you while I'm swatching, which will be sped up. And it has a colour code here telling you the number on the pencil, the name, the light fast rating, and which sets come with which coloured pencil in them. One thing I will say is that when you get your Polychromos pencils, make sure they are in the order that is in the swatch if you are going to use my swatches, because these free swatches here are just in the Faber Castell colour order. You get free trays, and the colours in the trays that's the first tray, second tray, third tray, so just make sure they're in order. Just a quick note before I start swatching. I've done my swatch a little bit different for these ones. I have decided to make the squares a bit bigger for this one, just for ease of swatching pencils. I think that the smaller swatches were good when it came to the Ohuhu markers. Hopefully you can see that because of the glare from my light. It's mounted above, can't do anything about it. If you think it would be better if all of my existing swatches were in the bigger squares, let me know and I'll get on to redoing them. All of these are available on my Gumroad. I've got free ones, basically anything that's ordered in the original order factory wise are free, with the exception of the Faber Castell classic colours, because I've got all the names for them which some people can't find out. So that one's got a small price tag to it, but everything on my Gumroad page will always, no matter what it is, be under $5 unless it's a colouring in book. The information in the leaflet is as follows. Page 1. Founded in 1761, Faber Castell is one of the world's oldest industrial companies and has been run by the same family for 9 generations. Today, the company is present in more than 120 countries. Faber Castell has its own production facilities in 9 countries and distribution companies in 23 countries around the world. Faber Castell is the world's largest manufacturer of wood-cased pencils, producing over 2 billion graphite and coloured pencils a year. The company secures its leading position on the global market with its tradition of commitment to the highest quality and a wide range of innovative products. Page 2. The art and graphic range includes artists' watercolour pencils, artists' colour pencils, artists' pastel crayons, pigmented drawing ink, and an extensive assortment of products for monochrome sketching and drawing. Page 3. Launched on the market in 1908, artists all over the world have been relying on the excellent quality of Polychromos artists' colour pencils for more than 100 years. High quality materials, maximum breaking strength, unrivaled light resistance, outstanding brilliance of colour and optimal application properties guarantee extraordinary pieces of art. Techniques. Apply high pressure during drawing with the pencil in an almost upright position to create areas covered completely in intense colour. Shading. Hold the pencil flat and apply light pressure to create an even area of colour. The individual strokes are not visible, but the structure of the paper can be seen, so in other words, the tooth. Hatching. Hatching uses parallel lines to create a visual area of colour. The spacing and thickness of the lines determine the colour intensity. Cross-hatching. With the cross-hatching technique, hatching is layered at different angles. Multiple colours can be used to create interesting colour mixes. From light to dark. Light colours are transparent while dark colours are opaque. Laying down layers of colour on top of one another from light to dark increases brilliance and vibrancy. Mixing colours. Different mixed colours can be created depending on the order in which the colours are layered. All very basic stuff, isn't it? Colour gradients. Colour gradients can be created by increasing the pressure during drawing by covering a colour with a white or light colour pencil, or by lightening specific areas with an eraser pencil. Surfaces and substrates. Polychromos artist colour pencils stick on many rough surfaces such as paper, cardboard, wood, stone, leather and brushed metal. A coloured substrate can change the colour character of a picture in exciting ways. Tools. An eraser can be used to remove colour from the page once applied and create intentional white spaces. Painting with a brush. Polychromos artist colour pencils can be dissolved with paraffin oil and used for painting. Interesting. Mixed media. The Polychromos is perfect for combining with other media such as artists' watercolour pencils and pastels. This enables you to create very special works of art. And then it shows some Faber Castell branded accessories. And then it shows you some of the sets. And then it's just got the colour chart that I've already shown you. So here we have it, guys, the finished swatch for the Polychromos. In the first sheet here, I was pretty much being a little bit lazy with them. And then when I got used to the feel of them and did the second sheet, I found that they feel really nice to use. I think they are reminding me of the Faber Castell Classics. The Classics obviously don't have as much of a colour payoff as quickly, if you understand what I'm saying. So I'm really impressed with them, and I can't wait to start using them in artwork. Also, I filled in my Albert Dürer swatch for the pencil roll set, and I just added this on the end of the video just to let you guys know. Little Gumroad update. I've now got 2 more product listings on there, and one of them is all the sets of the Albert Dürers and the other is all the sets of the Polychromos, and both of these downloads are free as they are in the Faber Castell colour order. So that's all from me today, guys, and remember, keep on doodling.